Hi guys, today we are doing a seaplane tour to look at the underwater waterfalls, which are located on the south side of the Mauritian island. It's an area called Le Morne, I believe, and we are doing it on the seaplane instead of a helicopter. There's a lot of pros and cons to it. One of the pros that I found with the seaplane was it's pretty much just yourself and the pilot. And if you, for example, opt for the helicopter, I think it actually works out a little bit more expensive. As well as that, with a helicopter, you would actually be sharing with a lot of people. And also, unless you're doing like a private tour, which is extortionate, they do a private tour here at the Lux Grand Robe, but it was working out to something like 2,000 euros. And it was quite extortionate, to be honest with you. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll tag the company that I'm using at the bottom of this video, called Lagoon Flights. And yeah, hope you guys see the tour and enjoy it.